Remember what I said in my last video? I said there was going to be a big storm. Now, it's aftermath time. I'm walking up a hill, through my neighborhood. Cars are turning around because they really have no place to go right now. As you'll see the damage up here. There's a guy who's over there, a nice man who's a big pine fell down and crushed his snowmobile trailer, and it just barely clipped his boat. If that tree would have moved a foot or two to the right, his boat would have been completely crushed. He lost the snowmobile trailer though. Show you it in a moment. He's running a chainsaw now to cut it up. Yeah. So this is pretty insane. There's that guy, there's that tree. That guy whose snowmobile trailer got completely crushed. Up here, this is the big damage up here. Still hear things slamming. Sirens blaring every so often. Trash truck still goes through though. This for sale sign completely destroyed. Trees completely down in the woods. Maple trees, pine trees, oak trees. This power line, this enormous pine completely crushed the power line here. And there is just branches, and there is just incredible the amount of damage. I was not expecting this much damage, like at all. Wow. Trees are just down everywhere. We got a car. Got a car right there whose left side got completely crushed by a tree. So you can see the denting on that car. Wow. This is pretty crazy. I cannot believe this. It's the Temple Shalom Synagogue Center and preschool. Wow. Oh my goodness. House right there. Fence completely down. Another branch completely crushed. People are helping other people. Once again, there's that crazy power line down. More trees down. A couple of cars, as I showed you earlier, that were crushed by branches. Houses. A couple of the houses have some shingles peeled off of them. It was insane. I tried to get some footage during the storm, but it was too dark out. It's just branches on everyone's roof. People are surveying the damage, walking by houses right now on the road. The road is completely impassable. There are power lines down. There is things crushed, as I already said. Coming over here, it looked like kind of a mini tornado or something went through this bit of woods, but this woods is completely destroyed. There are pieces of trash from the trash barrels flying more than a mile away from where they originated. Look at this. I'll show you this right now. This is incredible. If you don't see it. Things down, entire trees down, pieces down. Just roads impassable beyond this point here. More trees and branches down. Old lady there lost her apple tree. Trash barrels flown across the road, across the street. Things, just stuff everywhere. This is the part of the road where I live. There's my house that got it pretty bad, but I wouldn't say as bad as down there. Down at that end of the street is just completely gone. Here, people just driving back and forth, just in absolute awe and in disbelief. For sale sign, my neighbor had a for sale sign on his truck. Completely blew away. Walking into my yard. My front yard's doing all right. But watch what happens when we step into the backyard. Yeah. My brother's soccer goals. He said my brothers are sports fanatics. Soccer goals, even with them prepared, completely crushed. Just stuff everywhere. Branches of trees all over the swing set. Oh my God. Wow. Another tree down. Right back here. I mean, just incredible. Just plain incredible.